Here's 5 things that you need to do to make sure that your website is up to date and is functioning perfectly for your organization. Remember, a website is a piece of technology, and as we all know, technology is advancing at a rapid pace with AI and all sorts of other things. So let's look at 5 things that you really need to consider with your web platform to make sure that you are performing optimally and that you have a professional online appearance. Number 1, let's think about some of the technical aspects. So a website, just like other technology, think of like a laptop, should be redesigned every 3 to 5 years. That might be a complete redesign. But in those 3 to 5 years, you should be staying on top of content and other technical aspects. For example, if you're using WordPress, WordPress has hundreds of different plugins. WordPress itself is a system and needs to be updated. So number 1 is to make sure that your website system is updated and on the most recent version of the platform. Number 2, the website has content. Just because you launched a website and you spent a lot of time building out that content doesn't mean that it shouldn't evolve, change, or be updated. It's an online presence. People visit it and you have return visitors. Make sure your images are updated, maybe change some images, add some images, and for SEO purposes, have a blog and at least do 1 monthly blog. Number 3, behind the scenes files. There's 2 major files that help with Google ranking and with your SEO, and one is your sitemap, an XML sitemap. The other is robots.txt. If you don't do anything with either of these apart from the sitemap, make sure that your system, if it's WordPress or some other system, has an up-to-date sitemap. The sitemap simply tells Google or Yahoo or any of these other sources, Bing, to search your website pages. It's an indexing of particular pages and demonstrates to the search platforms which pages to search and index. For example, your sitemap might be homepage, about us, services, and then whatever services are under services, your blog page, and whatever is under blog page. Make sure your sitemap is up to date. Number 4, consider the devices that your audience uses. The biggest change was responsive website design, where websites were created that would work on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. Look at your data and see where your audience is coming from. I suspect that it's largely mobile, and if so, make sure that the user experience is as good as it can be on mobile devices. If need be, weed out the nonsense and make the experience easier. That might mean taking out some content, that might mean adding very clear call to action and very clear contact information. And number 5, do you have the correct contact information on your site? That might seem like a silly question. Is reference to a Google map and location correct? Is the address correct? Are emails correct? Are your links to social media updated? Did you recently add a YouTube channel and you forgot to add that you have a YouTube channel on your website? Add it, update it, clean it up. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. And please like and subscribe. Have a good one.